Hi everyone, it's Eric with RocketMan Service, Plumbing and Air, formerly Temperature Pro. Today we're in Sugar Land installing a brand new top-of-the-line Bradford White 40-gallon gas water heater. Our next day installs are backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee with no payments for a full year. If you do find a better deal, we'll beat it by 500 bucks. We are proud that the BBB selected us for their award of excellence. With us, you'll know you're getting the best deal, installed by factory trained specialists, and your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed.